This video will demonstrate the recommended installation and setup of the dual Titan DBC series brewer. Installing 3-phase 4-wire plus ground. This electrical service consists of 4 current-carrying conductors, neutral, L1, L2 and L3, and a separate conductor for earth ground. Remove the front access panel to gain access to the terminal block. For single-phase operation, the blue wire is paired with the black wire and the L3 is empty. For 3-phase operation, move the blue wire to L3. Refer to data plate on the brewer and local and national electrical codes to determine circuit requirements. Push wires from bottom of machine. Connect the green ground wire to the chassis ground, then continue the connection of wires into the neutral, L1, L2, and L3. Ensure that the wires are securely attached to the terminal block. Replace front access panel. The brewer must be disconnected from the power source throughout the initial setup, except when specified. Remove the shipping cap from the fitting on the bottom of the brewer. Attach the flare tube assembly to the fitting using the copper flare gaskets on each end. Attach main water line to the male flare fitting assembly. Securely attach the fitting assembly to the water fitting under brewer. Turn on water supply and verify no water leaks are present. Connect the brewer to the power source. Turn on the main on-off switch located on the lower right of the brewer. Water will flow into the tank and stop when the tank is filled to its capacity. The display screen will read, "Please wait, tank filling," until tank is filled with water. Wait approximately 25 minutes for the water in the tank to heat to the proper temperature. Display will show ready to brew, water temp, 205 degrees, when tank is at operating temperature. Some water may drip from the funnels during this time. This is due to expansion and should not occur thereafter. Insert an empty funnel into the funnel rails of one of the brew stations. Place an empty server under the funnel. Place a small vessel beneath the faucet and open the faucet handle. Release it when you hear the tank start to refill. The brewer is now ready for use in accordance with the instructions for coffee brewing.